Which of these regions Sauvignon Blanc wines would most likely show a higher perceived alcohol level? A. Sauvignon Blanc from Marlborough, B. Sauvignon Blanc from Walker Bay, or C. Sancerre?
Okay, from the looks of it, another tough question for folks. We have answers in every one of these, A, B, and C.
All right, this was a tricky question. That perceived higher alcohol level. We're going to see it in, looks like those got mixed up a bit there, but C, Marlborough. Actually, I'm going to go back. If you said A, Marlborough, that would be correct. And the reason for that is just the higher UV light that we're going to get, and Walker Bay and Sancerre having more moderating influences. So they're going to have slightly lower alcohol levels. Marlborough, while not really high burning alcohol, is going to have a slightly higher perceived alcohol level than the other two. Which of these characteristics would help you determine a Tempranillo wine is from Ribera del Duero instead of Rioja? A, the aromas are dominated by red fruits, B, a fuller body, or C, a paler color. All right, those that said B are correct. It is fuller bodied. The reason for this is that the grapes in Ribera del Duero have thicker skins. So we're actually going to get a deeper color on that. So C is not the correct answer. And the aromas are going to be more dark fruit, so more black fruits than we would see in Rioja, which tends to have more red fruit qualities. And of course, we'll have a fuller body.